Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch your text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in like a background just cause and then I will go to text and I will add in just like a normal text, and I'm just going to type in something like "you're cute." You can also change the font as well and the color so it's more visible. Now I want to stretch this text out like this way, like not horizontally, vertically, I think. Not sure. Anyways, just go down, just like scroll down, and then under position and size, you're just going to turn off uniform scale. And here you can adjust the scale width, and you can make your text look super like condensed, I guess. Like either this way or like that way. So I'm just going to like make it like this way and then make it like really tall so like you can't really see the text. And yeah, that's basically it. You can also adjust like the line here so the text looks more squished together. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!